Now we are going to look at len and trim function. Len function helps to get the number of character in specific cell. In this case, I have a list of serial number and I want to know what is the length of the character. Let me show. Len, select the character, enter. So there are 6 characters in this cell. Let me copy paste this for the other cells. So in this cell we have 8 and in this cell we have 5. So assume here we have only 6 rows. Assume in case if we have 100 rows or 1000 rows, in case if we want to validate whether the numbers are proper. So in that case the len function will help. Let's move on to trim function. Trim function helps to remove the unwanted space. In this case, if you see, I have some text here. So like online Excel training. So after online, you can see there are space, and after Excel also there are space. Okay, after training also there is a space. Similarly, I have for other cells. If you see here, there is a space in the beginning. Generally, no text will start with the space. So also I have space here, 2 spaces here, 3 spaces. So in all the cells I have unwanted space. To remove all the unwanted space, I am going to use trim function. So now if you see, all the unwanted space has been removed. So there is only one space between each word. Hope you understood. Let's move on to next function.